Hey guys, so I wanted to talk about this amazing crypto slash NFT slash play to earn gaming project called Pikamoon. The first and the most important thing, in my opinion, is that team is not anonymous. It is a public team, and crypto projects that have public team members are quite legit, in my opinion. And why I am bullish is, first of all, they recently got listed on two big exchanges. One is BitGet and other is MEXC. And also they are available on the decentralized exchange Uniswap, so that's quite bullish, and the market cap right now is only around $30 million. So they have a huge potential because 2024-2025 bull run will be all about gaming. And as you may know, games like Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, Illuvium are valued at billions, so the real potential for this Pikamoon project is at least 20x, 30x, or even 40x. And looking at the fact that there are more exchanges coming soon for the Pikamoon project is definitely bullish. And if you understand that crypto gaming and play-to-earn games are the next big thing in the crypto, I definitely recommend you to check this project. All the links are in my description, so check them out. And looking at the Pikamoon chart right here, you can see that they are pumping almost daily, and they already have done 300%, which is 3x from the launch. And one of the great things about crypto is once you get on few big exchanges, it's a matter of time until you get listed on more and more exchanges as the time goes by. So this is another reason why I am personally bullish on this project. One of the biggest differences with this project and other projects is that they have secured multiple, and I mean 100 plus influencers as partners. And you can already see that many huge influencers are talking daily about this project, and here you already see the Cory from the original Project X film talking about the Pikamoon project. And Cory himself invested around $20,000 in this project. And this is another reason why I know this team is legit and they understand the crypto space and how to grow, how to do marketing, because all these 100 plus influencers will matter when we reach the actual crypto bull run, the euphoria. Because when the crypto euphoria hits, all this marketing, all these 100 plus influencers will be the most important aspect on why many projects are not growing and many projects like Pikamoon are growing, because all this marketing will fuel this project and they will outgrow everyone else 100 times faster. And right now you can see they have 30,000 followers on Twitter, around 12,000 followers on Telegram, 10,000 of visits on their website. And this is why I think this project is still under the radar. There is so much room for growth, and imagine when they reach 100,000 followers, 200,000 followers. In my opinion, and this is not a financial advice, the token may go 10, 20, even 30 times higher than it is right now. Another reason why Pikamoon can go high is that they are doing token burns, which means that they are burning the supply and the token price is going even higher. And if you want to follow the token burning events, follow them on Twitter. The link will be in the description as well. And this project doesn't have any hidden VCs, any big whales that can dump tokens, so this is bullish as well. And the team tokens are vested for the next 36 months, which means that there will be no huge token dumps, and this project has secured a great place in this crypto space for the next 3 years. So overall, I am really bullish on this Pikamoon crypto project. I think the team understands the crypto space very well, and looking at the fact that even meme coins right now are going insane, I think that many people could come from meme coins to this project as well, because the Pikamoon name is really memeable. And looking at the fact that this is a gaming project, and as you can see here, gaming is much bigger than Hollywood and music industry combined. And I think gaming will be the biggest thing in this crypto run, and many crypto gaming projects will go to 10 billion, 20 billion, maybe even 50 or 100 billion valuations in this 2024-2025 bull run. And this means that Pikamoon could do 30x quite easily, reaching $1 billion market valuation. So if you want to follow the Pikamoon project, all the links will be in the description. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT gaming alpha, press that subscribe button, press the notification button, so every time I upload you get a notification instantly. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.